Back to another video, Tuesday, September 14th, and I want to talk about FuelCell Energy stock. The ticker symbol is FCEL, currently sitting at $6.44. It's up around 15% on the day, and the trading volume was absolutely crazy. 213 million trades of fuel cell today, compared to an average volume of around 17 million. So definitely a lot of trading of fuel cell today. I just want to get right into it. Market cap currently sitting at around $2 billion. And again, aside from really why the stock rose today, which I will get into, there are some things with the company as far as fundamentals go that I do actually really like. So let's just not waste any time. Let's just get right into it. So FuelCell Energy, delivering clean, innovative solutions to enable a world empowered by clean energy. Now, if you are familiar with where we are in the United States, clean energy is super on the rise. I mean, it's just everything is heading towards clean energy, renewable energy, and Biden administration is making it an absolute priority to push that initiative moving forward. So obviously, clean energy companies clean energy companies that exist and are already doing things right now are going to be massively valued down the line and further in our country. So FuelCell Energy is a global leader in fuel cell technology with the purpose of utilizing its proprietary state-of-the-art fuel cell platforms to enable a world of empowered by clean energy. We provide comprehensive turnkey solutions for our customers that include everything from the design and installation of a project to the long-term operation and maintenance of a fuel cell system. The global fleet of SureSource, which is, I guess, their main product, power plants spans 3 continents and is the leading industry with millions of megawatts of ultra-clean power produced. Utilizing state-of-the-art fuel cells, our SureSource plants provide environmentally responsible solutions for various applications such as utility scale and on-site power generation, carbon capture, local hydrogen production for both transportation and industry, and long-duration energy storage. Their systems are created to meet the needs of customers across several industries, including utility companies, municipalities, universities, government entities, and a variety of industrial and commercial enterprises. They leverage the core capabilities by forging strategic relationships with carefully selected business partners that bring power generation experience, financial resources, and market access. So a lot of things to like here. If you take a look at their products, these are just some of them. So their products, they have a complete line of carbonated SureSource products from FuelCell Energy, and they do deliver ultra clean distributed power efficiently and economically. So obviously very ultra clean, efficient, economically, and just generating clean energy. So the SureSource 1500 looks something like this. Obviously, I mean, something like this is for a huge industry or huge company or just a huge organization. But for example, like the SureSource 1500, 1.5 megawatts of clean, affordable power. This solution is ideal for on-site power generation for large installations requiring continuous power and value high quality heat for facility heating and absorption chilling. The system is suitable for a wide range of applications, including wastewater treatment plants, manufacturing facilities, hospitals, and universities. So like, for example, if a big university was trying to change their energy source to clean energy, they can look for a company like FuelCell Energy to provide that for them. Obviously 1.4 megawatts is not a lot considering how much some universities may need, but just look at the benefits of this, featuring ultra low emissions, quiet operations, and minimal space requirements, but just about the size of a tennis court, which is what this size I guess would be. The SureSource 1500 is suitable for locations where combustion-based traditional power generation technologies are not feasible or desirable, such as next to buildings or in space constrained urban locations. So this is super quiet, and this could go somewhere where you don't want loud generators. You don't want something that's a massive plant that's going to give off radiation and take up a lot of space. I mean, just some of these things that they offer, this one's a little bigger. Obviously, they get bigger and bigger as you go down the SureSource 4000 down here, 3.7 megawatts, and the SureSource 3000 to 2.8. So you can go from something pretty small with the 1.4 megawatts all the way down to, the 3.7, and a bigger plant would look like this. But nonetheless, I think renewable energy and things like this that, are clean energy solutions, I think are just absolutely massive and just going to be super valuable down the line. And for a company like FuelCell, where I think renewable energy and clean energy is still kind of early on as far as the implementation goes in the United States, I think a company like FuelCell Energy can definitely have extreme value even at the current price point of $6.44. If we go back and take a look at the chart here, if we take a look at the 2-year chart, you can see that FuelCell was trading at around $30 back in February of this year, when around the time when the Biden administration really took office and renewable energy was being pushed pretty heavily. It's kind of taken a fall just down from that for a variety of reasons, but you can see the potential as fuel cell was trading at $30 and now currently sitting at $6.44. And then I just wanted to refer to this article on MarketWatch by Tommy Kilgore. Fuel cell stock soars after long streak of earnings misses snapped. Losses are narrower than expected for the first time in 8 quarters as gross margins turned positive. So shares of FuelCell Energy shot higher on heavy volume Tuesday after the fuel cell technology company pleasantly surprised investors by reporting a narrower than expected fiscal third quarter loss and revenue that rose well above expectations. The company reported the opening bell net losses for the quarter to July 31st that narrowed 12.8 million or 4 cents a share from 16 million or 7 cents a share in the same period a year ago. That beat the FactSet consensus for a per share loss of 5 cents. That snapped a 7-quarter streak in which the company reported losses that were wider than expected. According to data provided by FactSet, the last time FuelCell beat bottom line expectations was the second quarter of 2019. So over 2 years ago was the last time FuelCell kind of did numbers like this. And revenue rose 43.2% to 26.8 million from 18.7 million, above the FactSet consensus of 21.1 million, boosted by 7.2 million increase in service agreements and license revenue. That was the biggest revenue beat in terms of the percent above expectations in 2 years, according to FactSet. So the stock rocketed as much as 34.2% in trading day, for pairing gains to be up to 17.7% mid trading day. And you can see here the global energy. This is a quote from the CEO of FuelCell Energy. The global energy transition continues to accelerate, and we believe FuelCell Energy is positioned to answer these opportunities with our patented portfolio of platform solution. So just kind of, piggybacking on what I said earlier, is that FuelCell Energy is in the position now for where they have in their patented portfolio of solutions for the global energy and clean energy, renewable energy, and that entire movement moving forward. As 10 years from now, global energy, clean energy, renewable energy is going to be everything in not just United States. Countries around the world are going to need solutions for that. And FuelCell, like I said, is well positioning themselves to be that solution. So super interesting stuff, you guys. Definitely think FuelCell Energy is a stock to take a look at. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about FuelCell. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, you guys have a great day.